Hello, my name is Eric. Today we're going to see how to retrieve environmental data from open or free sources. So for example, we're going to use the site of AirDAP that is from the NOAA. So we just go to Google and type AirDAP, and it's the first option that appears. So here in the main page, in the home page, we just go where it says GridApp datasets. We click on there, and there we will have a list of all the variables that are available in this dataset. So you will find chlorophyll A, sea surface temperature, salinity, and a lot of other variables that you can use. So depending on what you want to study and what you want to do, here you can have a guide. So for example, we're going to see the variable of chlorophyll A, and this one that is from the satellite Aquamodis is from the whole globe. Is 4 kilometer resolution, and is data from 2003 until present. Here you can find if it's daily data obtained, or each 8 days, or if it's monthly. As I said, you have like for different locations and different periods of time. So for example, we're going to select this one that is monthly, and here we just have to click on data, and here you will find where you can like filter the data. So you can select the period of time that you want to do, and also like the specific coordinates in the area. So you can put, for example, from 2010 if you want to do a study across 5 years, and here for example until 2015. And the coordinates, it depends on you. So I will put like the coordinates of the Caribbean Sea. So it's from 25 to 5 and minus 90 until minus 60. And in here to download the data is just to select the file that you want to download. So this will depend in the software where you will import the data after. So in here I will use NC file, because after I will be able to open it in R. So I just submit it, and a file is going to start downloaded. Depending on the amount of the period of time and the geographic distribution that you select, it can be a really big file, so it can take a while. And meanwhile in R you can use these packages to open and import your data with the function stack, and you just use exactly the same name as it gets in the downloads file, and that's it.